Hi there everybody, this is Nick again from Tentworld, Townsville. Here today to take you through another one of Darche's rooftop tents, the Hi-View 1400. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a bit of a walkthrough of all the major features of it, show you through how a couple of things work, and then give you a couple of other details as well. So one thing that's great about the Hi-View model as well, look, this is available in the 1400 model that you see here, but if you want a bit of a bigger bed, it's actually available in their 1600 wide, an 18 or even a massive 2200 wide if you want a really big one. So you can check out the details of those on the Tentworld website, but for today, let's take you through some of the information on the 1400 model. So the Hi-View 1400 has a compressed alloy case which is nice and durable for when you're on the road touring around the country. The canvas is a 260 GSM ripstop polycotton canvas, so again it's nice and durable and breathable material, and you have a 210 denier tropical fly up there on the top, which you can actually pull back to reveal the skylight roof. The Hi-View 1400 and the 1600 models actually come included with the Annex included here, which is the same 210 denier ripstop polyoxide material as the fly, so it's nice and waterproof. One thing that we haven't actually pictured on our one here though is the floor. It has a 550 GSM heavy duty floor that you can actually zip in the bottom of there too to make the floor actually waterproof. So that's an optional extra you can do when you're setting up. So if it's a quick overnight stop, you can just leave it off and keep it a little bit simpler, or if you can for a couple of days, set it up and you've got a whole other room. It actually has 4 doors on it, so you've got access to the side of the vehicle in the back, or in 3 different directions from the room itself. So you can close those doors right up to make it private and waterproof. Other than that, you've also got the bug mesh here to make it a bug-free room for someone to sleep downstairs if you wish. So one of the great upgrades that you get when you step up to the Hi-View model, or even the panorama above this one, is you get the 2.3 metre telescoping extension ladder. So I'll just fold this one down here and show you how easy it is to use. So you just undo it from the strap, pull it out. So as you see, it's nice and compact, but extends a long way out. Now the easiest way to get the right height there, now you want this at about 60 or 70 degrees, extend it the whole way out, and then from the top start moving these buttons. So move the first one all the way up until it hits that lock, and then your second one, push it up and they'll all lock into different positions. So for me, that's about the right angle. Give it a bit of a tug, there's no bounce in that, so you know you're nice and solid, and we can jump straight up that ladder. So the ladder is not just the way that you get up there, but it's actually a leg for it. So it's important to have that down and have it in the right position with no bounce and nice and secure. So they're a really strong, nice and easy to use adjustable ladder. In a second we'll jump upstairs and check out some of the things on the inside. The bed inside this one is a 1400 wide bed by 2.4 metres long. So even for guys like me, there's plenty of room to sleep, and plenty of room up there for 2 people, being about the size of a double bed. But as I said before, if you do want a little bit more room for yourself, you can step up to those even larger sizes in the Hi-View. Look, it's nice and comfy up here. It's got a 65mm high density foam mattress, which if you liked is actually a really nice upgrade that Darche do called the RTM 1400. So if you're interested in an even more comfy mattress than what they actually come with, come and check that out in the Tentworld store as well. But what you've got inside here, like I said, plenty of room, 1400 wide double bed in here. You've got 125 centimetres of head height, so plenty of room to sit up. You're not too crouched down while you're in bed. And the other thing that gives you too is access to the skylight roof, which is everyone's favourite feature. Like if it's a hot night, what you can do is we can open this right up, let all the heat out, and of course do some sky gazing. So let's show you how to set that one up. So all you need to do, you can either pop out through the side window or out the back door. You've got the clip on the side here. Let's unclip that. Step around to the back side. Undo the fly and awning extension poles. Undo the zip as I've already prepared, and then pop this aluminium bar out of the holder here. And that pulls back that polyester fly, let all the heat out of the roof, and all you need to do is actually just slot that down into the hole on the side. And if you like, we can tidy that up and tuck it all in a little bit better, but that's going to give us a lot of ventilation and a wonderful view of the stars at night when we're out camping. Like all the rooftops in Darche's range, they're designed for maximum ventilation. So as you can see, you've got these massive 180-degree windows on the side here. Now if you like to let the most amount of light in there, you can actually roll up the canvas of those window flaps as we've done here today, or even open up the bug mesh to let as much air through as possible. Or if you like on the other one behind us over here, you can use the window poles to pull them out and give you heaps of shade from the sun, as well as keep the rain out if it's pouring down. So there you have it folks, that's the Hi-View 1400, and as I said, you can get it in some even bigger sizes, which is a great thing. So if you want to find out even more about the Hi-View 1400 or the other models in the range, come on down to a Tentworld store or check out tentworld.com.au. See you later.